Hello and welcome to this video, where I will show you how to customize the height and color of your progress bar in .NET Maui. First, we will create a new .NET Maui project. Now we will create a new class file. I will call it Custom Progress Bar. In this file, we will have to write quite some code. You will find the source code in the video description. Now before we can use our new progress bar, we have to add a namespace referring to our project in the XAML file in which we want to use our customized element. I started the app so we can see our changes to the XAML in real time. To use the new progress bar, we have to write a local double point in front of the name of our class like this. Be careful with giving the progress bar values which are not supported like I did here, since they might throw an exception. Valid values are floating point numbers between 0 and 1. As we see, we now do have a taller progress bar than usual. Now if we want to change the colors of our progress bar, we can do so in our class by changing the values for color and background color like so. We could also change the height of the progress bar from the .cs file. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.